Hi, this is Brooke with Bella Lash. I want to show you how I like to do a quick wispy mega volume set. Believe it or not, I completed this full set in just 2 hours and you can too. I used the Bella Lash Blooming Lashes with Lash Detox for my spikes and the new Bella Lash 200 collection for my mega volume fans. To start out, I coat the tips of the Blooming Lashes with Lash Detox to create my spikes. This allows for easy pickup and placement. My rule of thumb is to place 15 to 20 spikes per eye. I like to place my spikes first to make sure I get good symmetry between the two eyes. I also like to focus on either the bottom layer or top layer of lashes to place my spikes. Whichever you choose, be sure to be consistent with it. After I've placed my spikes, I fill in the rest of the set with our 200 collection. You definitely want to keep your links at least 3 millimeters shorter than the spikes to make sure you have good contrast and texture. This is the easiest wispy mega volume set ever. Even if you are a classic lash artist, you can still achieve this look.